The golden sun beamed down upon the vast African plains, where a curious young girl wandered in awe. Suddenly, a massive shadow loomed over her. She gasped and looked up to see a magnificent creature standing before her. An African elephant! Whoa! Who are you? The girl exclaimed, eyes wide with excitement. The elephant chuckled, his large ears flapping gently. I'm an African elephant. We're the biggest land mammals on Earth. You live in Africa, right? The girl asked, tilting her head. The elephant nodded proudly. Yes. We live in grasslands and rainforests. Wait, some elephants live in deserts too? She asked in surprise. That's right. We've learned how to survive in dry places too. The elephant confirmed, his trunk playfully curling in the air. The girl wiped her forehead. It must get really hot out here. How do you stay cool? The elephant grinned. Oh, we have a trick for that. First, we spray water on our backs. With that, the elephant lifted his trunk and sprayed a cool mist into the air, making the girl squeal with laughter as she shielded her face. Then we throw dust on top. It works like sunscreen, he added, shaking his massive body, sending a puff of dust into the air. The girl's eyes sparkled with amazement. Your trunk is amazing. The elephant beamed. Oh, it's pretty useful. I use it to breathe, drink, and even give myself a shower. With a swift motion, he sprayed water high into the sky. The girl laughed, clapping her hands. That's so cool. Can you grab stuff with it too? Of course. Watch this. The elephant stretched his trunk upward, plucking a bundle of leaves from a tree before munching on them happily. What's your favorite food? The girl asked curiously. We love leaves, bark, roots, fruit, and grass. And since we're so big, we eat a lot, the elephant said with a hearty chuckle. The girl giggled. I bet. I thought I ate a lot, but you win. Her gaze then fell on the elephant's long, curved tusks. Your tusks are huge. What do you use them for? The elephant lifted his head proudly. These! They're actually long teeth. We use them to dig for food and defend ourselves. But then the girl's smile faded. Do you have any enemies? The elephant's ears drooped slightly. Most animals leave us alone, but some people hunt us for our tusks. The girl clenched her fists. That's not fair. You should be safe. The elephant's warm eyes softened. I know, but there are people working to protect us. The girl smiled, relieved. That's good. Well, I guess you have more eating to do, huh? The elephant chuckled. Always. See you later. As he turned and lumbered away, the girl waved enthusiastically. Goodbye, African elephant.